Today we have a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is Kid Rescued from Worst Living Conditions Ever.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
How are you? Hello. Are you Crystal? Yes. Okay, I'm Jordan. I'm with Department of Children and Families. So there's a report that we have a child here and that she's being kept in the home. Does not come outside. So I do have to interview you, Torrance too, the father of her, and you have to view your home. I have to see where she sleeps. It's regarding child safety.
Ma'am, do you have any dogs or anything in the house? No dogs? Okay.
When investigators entered the property, they found the parents outside drinking. Inside the home, investigators found the child in a room, living in conditions. Investigators also noted the home was in terrible shape.
Anonymous tip came in that she's living in an unkept situation, an unkept home. The house is very cluttered, it's dirty. Did you see the bed she's sleeping on? It's like brown.
They have to find somewhere for her to go right now while I'm drug screening them, and I cannot leave until that person is here and she's picked up.
Okay, perfect. And one of us will stick around until she gets picked up.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
So, unfortunately, right now we're going to have to make some calls, family members. There will be a safety plan put in place because the home has to be cleaned up. It's way too far. I will not be leaving here until someone comes and picks up. That sheet shouldn't be on there.
Yeah.
But also,
that's what I was doing today.
But
after she ripped it up.
Like, I don't think you all are bad parents. I just think you need some assistance. But also that sheet should have been off not a day ago, not yesterday, the day before. That sheet should have been off weeks ago. The mattress.
Yeah, the mattress is better off.
And for that mattress to be already here when you all moved here, that's also a problem.
Both parents were drug tested at the home, and the results came back positive for THC, cocaine, and alcohol.
I'm sorry. Positive for both of them? Okay, they both tested positive.
With enough evidence gathered, officers came back 6 days later to arrest both parents.
What the hell? What's going on?
You have a warrant for your arrest.
I got a warrant for my arrest?
Yes, sir.
How in the hell do I have a warrant for my arrest?
Well, we'll explain everything to you in a second.
Can I make a phone call then?
What's your name, man?
Torrance.
Torrance what?
How would I have a warrant for my arrest?
You have an arrest warrant for child without great bodily harm. So, would you like to talk to a detective today about your charges?
What the
Torrance, do you want to speak with a detective?
Why would I have a warrant for?
It's an investigation, and the detective has more information about it. So if you'd like more information, then you're going to have to talk to the detective.
What in the hell?
Is there any children inside?
No.
No, nobody's here?
No. Okay. You lock my door?
Yeah.
I'm trying
Don't
to
go in your pocket.
No, I ain't.
Okay. You're trying to go in your pockets.
No, I'm trying to feel you feel and see if my keys in my
We'll
pocket.
walk outside right now, and then we can talk about that. Wow. But don't go reaching in your pockets, please.
New people just left from here. Yeah, keep calling her.
Go ahead. You got your last drag?
I want to know how. And these people just left from here.
Just face the car for me.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, I ain't do.
10-4, if you could expedite, she's already made the phone call to the wife, so she's aware now.
They just left from here, sir.
Who?
DCF people.
Okay.
They was here yesterday.
Okay. Well, the warrant's through the police department, not through DCF.
How? What did I?
The sergeant told you. He said child without bodily harm.
How can I have child?
Well, that's something you'd have to speak to the detective about. Is that something you want to do?
My child ain't even home.
Okay. Well, if you don't want to do it, that's fine. All the information will be...
Where the detective at, man? Because I want to know what's going on.
Well, the
here.
detective's at the police station.
I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Wait, hold on.
I think that's who she was on.
Well, what's that there?
There you go. This is our paperwork. So what's going on, man? Torrance.
Can I sit on that bumper or something?
We're going to have you sit down in just a second, but he's got to go through you one more time, okay?
All right.
Okay.
Just do me a favor. If it's easier, you can lean up against the car, put your chest on the car. All right?
It's my hips that's the...
Okay. Do you have any other narcotics on you, anything like that?
Narcotics?
Yeah. The reason I'm asking is because when we get to the jail, they're going to scan you, and if they find anything else on you that I didn't find, you're going to get charged.
What, my cigarette?
No. Okay. No. Not your cigarette.
How can... This here, this is outrageous here.
Well, the detective has all the pertinence of the case. We can't really get into it without you talking to her.
I'm gonna have you step in there and have you sit on there. All right?
I remember I told you now, my legs ain't strong as they used to be.
Well, maybe if you just
Why don't you sit down first?
Yeah.
Turn your body, sit down. All right.
And then you scoot your butt. Yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
Hang tight for me.
Schedule, so I don't know what that means.
Did he say he wanted to talk?
He never said.
Okay, I'll ask him.
This is crazy. That house is in such bad condition. You have a child living in there? How can you? I get it. Your house gets a little dirty every now and then. I understand it. I get it. You know, it happens. But what? You pick a day, you clean up once a week. It is what it is. But for that house to look the way it did, and for you to be sleeping on a mattress that was left from somebody prior, you don't even know. That mattress could have bed bugs. It could have, you don't know what that other person did on that mattress prior. And mattresses are expensive. But there's plenty of other options that you can do. There's plenty of like places that help out people for the less fortunate and all of that stuff. And you can get a mattress and stuff like that. Help you get a mattress and things of that nature. Or you could go to like big department stores, you know, instead of going to your furniture stores, you know, paying $600,000 for a $2,000 for a mattress. You could go to a spot like Big Lots or Walmart or something like that and get a mattress for $100, $150. You know, something that's way less cheap. Or you can go, if you don't want to get a even something like this. Futon. This futon is from Walmart. And I forget how much it costs, but no more than like maybe $100 or something. Years ago, you know, it's not the best, but it gets the job done for my, the entertainment room, whatever, the office room, whatever you want to call it. But, something like that. And I remember when I was young, when I first moved out on my own, I didn't have a mattress when I first moved out on my own. I had a futon, not this one, but it was a much better one. But it was a futon, because you kill two birds with one stone. You could get a couch and a bed, until you save up enough money or whatever, or have enough money to go and buy a mattress. But I would rather sleep on the floor than to sleep on that dirty ass mattress that they had there. That's oh man, I feel so bad for the child. That's nasty work. And then the mom gonna sit there and say, "Oh, I was gonna take it off today," or "Oh, I was gonna clean it off today." That sheet look like that. Come on, man. Like the people said, it shouldn't have been taken off yesterday, the day before. It should have been taken off weeks ago. What? You change the sheets at least once a week? Come on, man. Like, what the hell? Nasty, man.
Okay, I'll ask him. All right, so would you like to speak with the detective in regards to this case? Or do you want to just get processed at the jail?
I told the detective if I ain't going to jail.
No, you're going to jail regardless. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. You have a warrant for your arrest signed by the judge, which means you're going to jail. If you want to speak, I don't have particulars about the case, right? I just know that you have a warrant. If you want to speak with the detective about the reason for everything, you can do that. She's willing to speak with you. If you don't want to speak with her, then that's fine too.
Okay, where she at?
She's going to be at the station.
Yeah, I'll talk to her.
Okay.
Like I said, it's just part of the investigation that
So I got to get arrested for y'all investigation?
they've reached probable cause. That's why the judge signed off on it. Yeah.
But what the Man, this is crazy.
After arresting the father, officers were given information about the mother's location. But when she spotted the patrol car, she quickly ran inside the building to hide.
I bet. I bet. Don't run. We on your heels. Get you to get. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He ready to work.
I'll grab it. You have an arrest warrant, child.
What? I'm doing everything I can to get everything ready. Everything's done.
Where's your bag?
Right there, the pink one. Everything is completely done. I've been working with them. I've been doing everything.
Okay, well, they issued a warrant for your arrest. And we didn't want to come in here like this, but the fact that you were coming and trying to get the gentleman away from us.
Oh, and I was running from you guys. I was hiding my stuff.
Sorry. We saw us coming and ran in here, so we didn't mean to come back.
Now what happened?
You're headed off.
I'd rather talk to the detective. Because I'm doing, you guys can walk through my house and look at everything. I need my baby back.
I mean, we're unfamiliar with the case. It's the detectives who are the ones that get all the information.
I want to talk to the detective.
You want to talk to the detective?
Yeah,
that's
I would like
fine.
to talk to the detective.
We'll take you to the police station.
And see what I can do.
We got to hang here for a second because
That's fine.
a female officer's coming. She's going to search you prior to us getting into the
Okay, I
car.
got cigarettes and a lighter on the side.
Okay, anything in the backpack that I need to know about?
Not that I know.
Any weapons or drugs or anything?
I might have a pocket knife in there for protection.
Okay, that's fine.
Watch your step.
When you comply and do everything they ask you to do, I still go to jail. I go.
Well, here's the thing. If you did the right thing in the first place, then none of this would have happened, right? That's just because you cleaned up what they told you to clean up.
Just because the house was messy.
Huh? Well, I think there was more to it than the house being messy. Have a seat in there for me.
What you mean by that?
I mean, I don't think it was just because you had a messy house. Swing your legs in.
Whoever called. I don't know.
Both parents were charged with child and their bonds were set at $40,000 and $30,000 with strict no contact orders as the investigation continues.
Nasty work. They should be ashamed of themselves. Living in those conditions. Who would want to live in conditions like that in general? Like, so just imagine everything else that they have, like roaches and all of that. Like a dirty house like that, maggots, and it's probably mad stuff that's going on. And they outside. They can't clean up their house, but they got time to be outside drinking and smoking. That's absolutely pathetic, man. Pathetic. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.